Hello YouTube, Wolfboy here. Today I will tell you how to enable God mode in Windows 10. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and check out my Discord channel if you need any help. And let's get into it. So what is God mode and why do we need it when we have this setting over here? Well, this setting is great, but it is missing many advanced settings, and many settings are in different places and called differently than the control panel than many people are used to. Of course, you can still use the control panel over here, but God mode allows you to access all the advanced settings and tools in your computer and put it in a single window, so you don't need to click through everything to find what you want, which will make your life a lot easier. Okay, so how do you enable it? Well, all you have to do is right click on a screen and create a new folder. And paste the code in there. The code will be down below in the description, and after that, press enter. And here it is, the advanced God mode control panel. And you will find all the settings that you will ever need in this control panel over here, including administrative tools, backup restore, and etc. And this will be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to leave a like if you like this video. And see you next time.